Welcome to Responsive Theme Tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to install and activate Responsive Starter Template plugin. You need to install and activate Responsive Theme in order to start with Responsive Starter Templates. If you haven't yet installed and activated Responsive Theme, please watch this tutorial. Now let's proceed with the installation of Responsive Starter Templates plugin. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and go to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. In the search bar, search for Responsive Starter Templates and click on Install Now button. Once installed, click on Activate. Once the activation is complete, go to Responsive and click on Responsive Templates to access a library of ready-to-use website templates. And that's it. You have easily installed and activated Responsive Starter Templates plugin. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.